it's me, Quayla, and my husband, Gino. Today we are going to be introducing to you guys a really interesting new gadget to help you grow hair faster, thicker, and longer. This video is sponsored by RedRestore Laser Cap. So definitely check the links down below, get that discount code if this is something that really interests you. We are going to be testing out this new product. We're super excited to give it a try. I've been really wanting to give my husband a try for his little areas here and here. So
is that shady?
Hella shady. They contacted us, they reached out to us, and they said that, you know, we've seen some of your videos. We thought it might be a great idea for you to, you know, test this laser cap out. So we are super interested to give it a try. So it claims to give you thicker, healthier hair. So we are certainly going to be trying that. For my husband, he's got the areas here and here. I'm going to give it a try for like maybe right around my edges. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to open this baby up. We're going to pop that on his head and give it a try. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Duh. And we will see you guys in the next video. Let's try this out. So as you can see, my husband has thinning hair in the front areas.
This is FDA approved, which is most definitely good. And there's no negative side effects because I don't need that just to grow a little hair. Clinical strength treatments at home. This is an actual cap part. There's an adapter for you to be able to plug it in. It looks kind of cool. It looks like the aliens are about to start reading my thoughts as soon as I get this on here. So the laser, you got full coverage. It restores blood flow and awakens dormant hair follicles. I hope so, because it's a lot of dormant going on right up in here.
So inside, of course, it does have 272 premium lasers inside of the cap. And of course, no LED lights are going to be used here. These are all lasers. And it looks like a motherboard is in this joint. So you, like Gino said, it definitely looks like there's going to be some aliens reading some thoughts with this here cap. Actually, pretty sturdy as well.
Just looking at it, I would question, like, is this legit? But it says it has clinically proven results. So that's most definitely positive. And if they say you get your money back if it doesn't work, they most definitely are confident in their product.
Absolutely, 100% money back guarantee, risk-free trial, trying on this. And of course, it is FDA approved, so that's not an issue as well. So you're just gonna go ahead and put that onto your head, and it does come with another cap that covers the laser cap.
Just because if somebody walks in, you don't want to think that you like
being electrocuted. You definitely don't want anyone to think that you are being electrocuted, guys. Now, of course, this laser cap does come with a 100% money back guarantee should you find that it does not work for you. This is definitely risk-free. Don't be afraid to give that a try. And of course, this can be used with your popular hair growth treatment such as Rogaine or biotin or any of those things, and it is going to help again to stimulate the dormant hair follicles, which helps promote hair growth, and it will promote hair growth in those areas. What do you feel?
I feel absolutely nothing.
Is it on?
I couldn't tell you if it was. Is it supposed to light up?
Well, look.
That's how you look cool when you are awakening your dead hair follicles. It comes with a easy to read user manual. Let's go over the cautions real quick. You do not want your kids playing with this. It might feel cool, it might look cool. Everybody might want to awaken the dead hair follicles, but it's not for kids. Make sure you keep it away from your mouth. I don't know why you might want to put it near your mouth, but don't. It might seem enticing, but do not wrap any of the cords around any body parts. And one of the simple things that you should know is any kind of electricity should not be close to water. You most definitely don't want to look into the lasers. That's just not a smart thing to do. I'm actually really excited to see what this is going to do. The fact that they have so much confidence in their products lets me know that, hey, I might be having some hair coming back. It is portable and it's easy to use, and you can use it with other treatments. So if you're already doing something and you start to see a little bit of success in what you're doing, go ahead and put this cap on and make it all the way successful. It's completely hands-free. It's good for reverse the hair loss and thinning hair.
Okay, guys, it's my turn to give this a try. I'm gonna take my wig off, throw that to the basically gonna be using this to kind of like on the edges and stuff like that, like, I just kind of want them to get a little bit thicker around the edges and put this on. So again, it does come with a full AC adapter. You plug this in, and once the blue lights come on, that means that it is ready and is on. And so then what you want to do is you want to disconnect this, and the lights come on. You're going to place that on your head, and you are going to allow this to work. It actually works, and it turns off automatically after 7 minutes. So you want to use this for 7 minutes every day. So again, to turn this on, you simply want to disconnect the AC adapter from the wall, and the lights are going to come in. It should be red. If yours, you should definitely see the red lights. In the package, you are going to be receiving your instructions. It is going to come with the hat that goes on top, should you want to walk around, be in your car, or anything like that. It will come with the laser cap. The AC adapter comes inside of this little package that you can carry with you as you are walking around. The plug or AC adapter or whatever, the plug to put in the wall is what you are going to get with your package.
You're supposed to use this device for 7 minutes every day, and it automatically turns off. So if you get into a book or something and you know, lose track of time, it doesn't work for you. All you gotta do is just put on a cap. If you're losing your hair, bro, put on a cap. Sis, I ain't the only one losing hair. Put on a cap. Fix them edges. It's easy to use. And in fact, to clean it, all you need is an alcohol wipe. Your journey and my journey to exceptional new hair starts today.
If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Duh. And we will see you guys in the next video.